Well, my doctor says my MRI just shows degenerative disc disease. Man, I'm terrified. I have degenerative disc disease. Oh my gosh. Well, you know, every 25-year-old I look at has some degenerative disc disease. It starts very young. And everybody has some degenerative disc disease. You know, my back looks horrible, but I still run, work out, play golf, maybe a little stiffer than I used to be, but you would think I would just be dying. It doesn't matter about degenerative disc disease, you know, as far as whether you hurt or not. Some people do, some people don't, but you've got to move. The best treatment is healthy diet, multivitamins, weight loss, and stretching. You know, when I had my MRI and I saw how bad my back looked, it got me more motivated to try to tighten my abdomen, because your abdomen is what supports your back, not your back muscles. Abdominal strengthening results in loosening of the paraspinal muscles in your back. There's no quick fix for this. Just try to keep your weight down, stretching and moving with a daily exercise program. So this is Dr. Caudill Miller. Like, comment, subscribe. More later.